out today. I'm so glad you're here. Ooh, I've already started with some coloring, but shh, I won't tell you what it is just yet. Stay with me until the end and we'll discover together what these colors will become. It's going to be so bright and fun. I'd love to see your drawings too. Send them to me on Instagram, Facebook, or by email. All the info is in the description. If you need help, ask a grown-up to send them for you. Maybe your art will be featured on Color Rhymes. And please subscribe, then like, and hit the bell so you never miss a new drawing. Now, grab your pencils and let's keep going. Ready? Let's draw! It's starting to look really pretty. Stay with me. It's going to get even better. So far, make sure to subscribe, give a like, and tap the bell so you won't miss the next videos. Liked it so far, make sure to subscribe, give a like, and tap the bell so you won't miss the next videos. So far, make sure to subscribe, give a like, and tap the bell so you won't miss the next videos. Wow, friends, our colorful adventure is done for today. I had so much fun drawing with you, and I hope you enjoyed it too. don't forget, I'd love to see your amazing artwork. Send your drawings to me on Instagram, Facebook, or by email. You'll find all the links in the description. And remember, subscribe, like, and click the bell so you don't miss our next drawing adventure. Until next time, my little artists, keep coloring, keep smiling, and see you soon. Bye!